Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 56, Introduction to Trigonometry, Section A, Easy. Let's start. If sin theta equals to cos theta, then 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1 equals to. Firstly, what is sin cos tan? Here, if it is a right triangle, only then sin cos tan are applicable. For if it is a not right angle triangle, they are not applicable. So what is sin? Here, opposite upon hypotenuse. This is sin theta. Cos means adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan means opposite upon adjacent. This is a basic, okay. And what we want in our problem is, look at this table now. These are the angles in degrees 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, and this is sin cos tan. Don't look at this sec, cosec, cot now. So sin and cos are equal. Where are they equal? Check the values. See here at 45 degrees sin and cos are equal. It means what? That theta angle is 45 degrees. That's why it's equal, right? Therefore theta equals to 45. And what is tan theta? Tan theta is 1. Basically, what is tan theta? Tan theta means sin upon cos. So 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2, it becomes 1. Always check anywhere. Tan means sin upon cos. Just divide sin value divided by cos value. Okay. So here tan theta equals to 1. So now you got theta. Theta equals to 45 and tan theta you got it. Just input the values in the given expression, required one. So 2 tan square 45 plus sin square 45 minus 1 equals to 2 into tan 45 is 1. So 1 square is 1 plus sin 45 is 1 upon root 2, the whole square, minus 1. So 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.